Turning now to the other breaking news of the morning here in the Houston area. Rain and wind hit the city as those storms raced through southeast Texas overnight. Ugochi Loka joins us live from the east side where some of those winds did some serious damage early this morning. Ugochi?
Hey Dave, Houston firefighters just cleared this area not too long ago, and we know that Eagle Machine Welding, they were working on this building for a while now. They say the front of the building actually collapsed after strong winds moved in. Take a look at the video when they were out here earlier. Their biggest concern was making sure that no one was under the rubble. So once they went through all of the rubble, they were able to confirm that it was all clear and no bystanders got caught up in it. So they did that, and they also wanted to make sure that the power lines that were damaged were intact, so they checked that out too before they left this area. We know the building owner is working with insurance and other people here to make sure that everything is intact inside. And we also are hearing that this area is reopened. Actually, you can see it for yourself. Nathan Boulevard and Wayside Drive open now to drivers. Back to you.